Hi and welcome to Carvision in Norristown. My name is Krizia and today I want to show you this Chevrolet Malibu 2014 LT. Take a look at the inside. It has a big screen in the middle part. Very nice to control your medias and your music, your phone, and all of those things. Very comfortable seats. I love the mix of the two materials. It's comfortable, it's very large, as you can see. The car is very clean and it has pockets in the back of the front seats, which is very useful to store some of your things. And right here you got your spacious trunk. Very nice, you can fit anything you want in there, like all your groceries. You don't have to crowd them or anything like for your kids. Very nice. So I just hope you enjoyed the Malibu tour. I love the car. I think it's very clean, spacious, it's very comfortable for a family, or if you're single, very comfortable for you and your friends. So just come here to Carvision, take a look, and we'll be waiting for you. Thank you.